I am going to discuss about performance measurement. There are two words, one is performance, another is measurement. Actually, performance measurement means measuring excellence of performance of any organization. Any organization measure their performance to know about the progress, current conditions, problems and opportunities of their works and tasks. Besides this, there are some other objectives for measuring performance. Number one is establish baseline measures and rebuild trends, determine which process needs to be improved, indicate process gains and losses, compare goals with actual performance, provide information for evaluating team and individual, provide information to make informed decision, determine the overall performance of the organization. When we talk about performance measurement, a question may arise, what we will measure while measuring performance. Normally, in typical measurement, a company measures human resource, customer, production, research and development, suppliers, marketing and sales, and administration. And in human resource, they measure absenteeism of employee, turnover of employee satisfaction index, and etc. And in measuring customer, they measure number of complaints and on-time deliveries, warranty data, and time to resolve complaint. And when they measure production, they measure inventory turns, scrap reward, and non-conformance, machine downtime, cost per unit, and number of products returned. And when they measure research and development, they measure time to introduce new product in market and time to design change. And when they measure about suppliers, they measure service rating, quality performance, billing accuracy, average lead time, and etc. And when they measure about marketing or sales, they measure sales expenses to revenue, order accuracy, new product sales to total sales. And besides this, when they measure about administration, they measure revenue per employee, expenses to revenue, and cost of poor quality, accounts receivable past due, and billing accuracy. Let's come to the criteria of performance measure. First one is performance measure will be simple, and performance measure will be few in number, and performance measure should be developed by the users, and performance measure should be relevant to the customer, like internal and external customer, then improvement. Normally performance measure focuses on preventing the current problems and identifying non-conformities and making correct decision. It should also focus on improvement of the process or products or management of the organization. And the cost, it should consider the cost of the non-conformities and as well as cost of measuring performance. And the visible performance measurement should be visible to the employee and other users, and timely. Performance measurement should be done timely in the organization and aligned. Performance measurement should be aligned with the organizational goals. Results of performance measurement should be balanced by the interest of all the stakeholders of the organizations. Next, come to the strategy. Strategy means get the things done in an efficient way. While formulating a strategic measurement system, the company considers the quality. Under the title of quality, company considers percent reduction in cost of poor quality, percent reduction in non-conformities, percent of certified suppliers, and percent of supplier base. Next, cost. While under the title of cost, company considers the inventory turnover, data transaction, and floor space utilization. Under the title of flexibility, any company consider the cycle time reduction, setup time, lot, best size, and under the title of reliability, a company consider process capabilities, reduction in downtime, warranty cost. Under the title of innovation, reduction in new product introduction time, and new patent granted, customer perception as a leader in innovation. Comes to the performance measure presentation. Basically, there are six techniques to present performance measure. Number one is time series graph, and two is control chart, and the number three capability index, and Taguchi loss functions, and measuring cost of poor quality, and measuring performance on the basis of criteria of different quality level. Now comes to the time series presentation of performance measure. In time series presentation of performance measure, In horizontal axis, times are shown, and in vertical axis, the percent of non-conformities are shown. In this graph, we can see that in January, the product A's non-conformities was 2%, and in February it was 4%, and in March it was 3%, and so forth. And we can easily know about the trend lines of the product A. And in product B January, the non-conformities was 6%, and in February it was 5%, and so forth. And it's the trend line of product B. So we can easily understand the trend of products performance by times this graph. Control chart is the graphical presentation of performance measure. In control chart, there are three limits of performance. One is upper control limit, and another is average, and the next one is lower control limit. If the performance remain between the upper control limit and lower control limit, if it is remain in the two lines, that means it is the process is in control. That's all about control chart. Now comes to the measuring cost of poor quality. There are four categories of quality cost. Number one is prevention cost, another one is appraisal cost, and another one is failure cost. In failure cost, there are two types of failure cost: internal failure cost and external failure cost. And now comes to the prevention cost. Prevention cost means the cost that are associated with the preventing defects and non-conformities of products, like staff training, product quality planning, tolerance analysis before design release, and another one is appraisal. Appraisal means the costs that are associated with while conducting inspection or tests or other evaluations. And the example of appraisal costs are design review, setup inspection, performance testing by customers, and internal failure. Internal failure means the cost associated with the defects and non-conformities that are found before shifting the products to the customer. Some example of internal failure costs are rework, fixing of bugs, internal scrape, engineering and drawing changes to correct errors. And now next one is external failure cost. External failure costs are the costs that are associated with the defects and non-conformities that are found after shifting the products to customer. And now comes to the measuring performance on the basis of different quality award. There are some types of quality award on the basis of which performance are measured. Number one is Malcolm Belvis National Quality Award, Rajiv Gandhi National Quality Award, Ramakrishna Bhagas National Quality Award, and Deming Prize. Now I would like to discuss about the Malcolm Belvis National Quality Award. The Malcolm Belvis National Quality Award is awarded to the US organizations for their performance excellence. Malcolm Belvis National Quality Award on the basis of 7 criteria. These criteria are: number one, leadership, strategic planning, customer and market focus, information and analysis, human resource focus, and process management. And the last one is business result. Malcolm Belvis National Quality Award measured the performance on the basis of 1000 points, and which are distributed in different amounts for different criteria. 125 points for leadership, 85 points for strategic planning, 85 points for customer and market focus, 85 points for information and analysis, 85 points for human resource focus, and 85 points for process management, and 450 points for business results. And that's all about the Malcolm Belvis National Quality Award. And there are many types of National Quality Award which are awarded for the performance of the organization, and they have different criteria for measuring performance. And any organization can measure their performance on the basis of the criteria of this quality award. That's all about the performance measurement. Thank you for